Hi, it's Mike from SexEd, and today I want to talk about accessibility for people who are blind or visually impaired, because it's been a while since I've talked about this, but I would like you to know that two of the kits that I make are available for people who are blind and visually impaired. So it comes like this. It is a box. So this is the kit of organs of cisgender and non-binary people, but the kit of organs of people who are trans and who have had gender affirming surgery or who are taking hormones is also available. And so it comes as this. So you've got like all the writing in Braille. And after, when you open it, you've got the first layer, which is the... And so what is specific about them, like in the kit, is that if you have the flaccid version or the erect version, the durometry of the silicone is different. So when you are learning by touch, when you are tactile learning, you actually have realistic idea about what it feels like when it is soft or when it is hard. It also comes with a number, so you can identify which organ it is, and you can after refer to the documentation, because as usual each organ is coming with a descriptive of who is the person, how they feel about their body. So you've got the written version, but you have also the Braille version, and you also have like the silicone cleats. So number 1 and number 2, so one is cut, one is intact. And then you have the second layer in the box. I have to mention those boxes are a pain in the butt to make. They take me so much time. So it's really like, if you order them, like, make sure that it is because you have people who are going to use them, because they take my life away, like especially doing this foam. Like everything is handmade and it takes forever, but I'm really glad it does exist. And so the second layer, you've got the 5 vulvas, and so same, they also have a number behind them, so they can be related to the Braille documentation. And also what is interesting is that this is the vulva 2 with the insertable clitoris that you can remove. And usually it is more transparent, but the silicone is harder. In that case, the silicone is softer, so it really feels like real human flesh. So you can actually touch the clitoris that is hard inside and like have a proper idea about the anatomy of the vulva and what the clitoris does sit in it. Just by touching it, like, you will understand like where everything goes into which place. So I'm extremely happy. It's super important for me that the material that I produce is accessible. Not everything is, because I'm still on my own. I have no funding, so I try to go as I can, but it really made my heart sing this week to have a library in Saskatchewan ordering them, and they're a library that is specialized in pedagogical material for people who are blind or visually impaired, and it is really where I want them to go, because this population are most of the time excluded from receiving sexuality education or sexuality education that is adapted with material that is adapted to the reality of people who do not see. So today's drawings are not going to do anything. Like, you basically need to have some 3D tactile learning with this population. And so yeah, I am proud and happy, even if they are a pain in the butt to make. And as usual, like, if you have comment, if you have question, if you have insight, if you think that it could be better, improved, like, please keep the messages going, because it's with your comments that I can improve what I make, so I better answer your needs. So all together we can actually provide better sexuality education and improve sexual health for all. For all. That is what is important. So yeah, that was it for today. Bye.